Hello my friends, Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. I'm going to share with all of you another recipe inspired by my idol, Kardea Brown. I am a die-hard cornbread lover, so today I'm going to share with all of you her cast iron skillet cornbread recipe. But we're going to add my own little twist to it. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, buttery, and it is next level good. This recipe is step by step, and if y'all fan of cornbread, this will be your go-to recipe. Y'all gonna love it, love it, love it. Perfect for the winter month with your chili, soup, stew, and also perfect for Soul Food Sunday. And don't forget to check out Kardea's cooking show, Delicious Miss Brown, Sundays at 12 p.m. Eastern on the Food Network. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cornbread recipes playlist and my previous video, lemon buttermilk pie. I'll post links to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your cornmeal, and your cast iron skillet sugar, because we're about to bake some cornbread magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 1 cup each of all-purpose flour and yellow cornmeal. And into our flour and cornmeal, we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon each of kosher salt and baking soda. I like my cornbread sweet, so I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of white sugar. Going to give this a quick whisk until it's well incorporated. Alrighty, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my measuring cup, I have 1 cup of buttermilk, and into our buttermilk, we're going to add in 1½ sticks of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. Very important that you let your butter cool, otherwise if you add hot melted butter into your wet ingredients, it will curdle. Kardea didn't add this to her cornbread, but I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of canola oil. I like the texture of butter and oil. And last but not least, we're going to add in 2 extra large eggs at room temperature. Going to whisk all these together until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, now we're ready to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And whisk everything until it's well incorporated. And be careful, you don't want to overmix it. If it's lumpy, that's alright. It's all good. Alright my friends, and just that quickly, our cornbread batter is complete. See how simple and easy it was? So now we're ready to pour it into the skillet. We're going to pour it in my cast iron skillet that I grease with cooking spray, or you can use butter. Alrighty my friends, now ready to put our cornbread in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 20 minutes until it's golden brown. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Cast iron skillet cornbread. Doesn't that look good? Lord have mercy. It smells buttery and delicious. It's piping hot. Just took it out of the oven. Hope you like it, Cousin Kardea. Alrighty, so now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. My friends, look at this beautiful plate of cornbread. And of course, you can't have cornbread without some butter. Oh yes. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Spread my butter a little bit. Beautiful texture. Look at that. Have a bite. Mmm. OMG. It's moist and bursting with butter. And the cornbread has the right amount of sweetness. It's nice and crispy on top. Cousin Kardea, this is incredible. Y'all gonna love this cornbread. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Now, grab me a little butter. Mmm. Yum-o. Cast iron skillet cornbread delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadelelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.